So guys, we're at the half-year mark, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 5 pickups so far this year. And hopefully by the time the end of the year comes, I got a solid top 10 because I picked my top 5 a couple of months ago and this changed drastically, man. So right now, before we jump to the video, go ahead and comment down below your top 5 favorite pickups yourself for your collection down below in the comment section, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into yet another video. It is greatly appreciated when you guys pull up, you know what I'm saying, come rock out with your boy The Vintage. You guys already know what to do. Go and hit that like button. We try to get every single video up to 500 likes. That really helps the channel grow. It helps push the video, and it gets everybody else to come drop their thoughts and opinion, whatever we are talking about in the videos, man. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe, man. You're at the right channel. You come to the right spot. Dropping content for you guys daily in the form of shorts, even videos. So make sure you guys, like I said, stay tuned for all that by hitting the notification bell right now. All right, so I do have 2 honorable mentions, man. The first one I do want to show, I'm not going to dive into it too deep, but it is the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Greens. Now this color right here, I really like it. It's definitely one of the most slept on Jordan releases this year. I know it did not come in extended sizes, but the hits, the quality of throwing these is very, very nice. I'm happy to have them in the collection, and the fits are not going to be A1 with the Air Jordan 3 Lucky Green. And another shoe I recently put on my top 5 pickups of the year, did not make the cut for this half-year mark, and it is the Orange Lobsters. And I know a lot of you guys probably like, yo, how don't you have the Orange Lobsters in your top 5? Just another 5 pair of sneakers that I like a little bit more than the Orange Lobsters, but they might make top 10. I don't know. Like, the top 5 right now for your boy is definitely different. And like I said, I did not include the clean Orange Lobster. All right, guys, so for the first sneaker on this top 5 pickups for your boy in the collection, this is in no like specific order or anything like that. Just rank them 1 through 5 however you want to, but it has to be starting off with the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Verse Next Chapters. Now these right here were highly slept on. Like, I remember seeing the first initial images, and me myself, I say, yo, these is trash. Ain't nobody about to buy them. I know I'm passing on them. Then once I start seeing a couple of, photos and videos, I said, bruh, I got to have the Air Jordan 1 Next Chapter joints. And I really love the holographic hit they throw on the Nike shoes and the heel these joints. It's a very, very loud sneaker. Definitely a dope summer sneaker as well. And yeah, they cracked the top 5 for your boy as far as pickups this year in 2023. All right, guys, next, another shoe that did not release this year, I know, but I actually picked these things up, did a whole Grail unboxing. You guys know we got the Grail series on the channel. This was like my 4th or 5th episode, and I was like, bro, how can I not throw these on my top 5 pickups of the year? And it has to be the Air Force 1 Low What the LAs. Now, you don't see a lot of people talking about these a lot just because they did release a little minute ago, but when I got the opportunity to snag these things, I was like, bro, I can't pass up on it anymore. These are one of those pairs that you probably push to the back burner. Then you go and check it a little bit later, and then they're going for a lot of money. These right here is going for around $500. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep passing up on them, and I'm going to be in that same situation I was when I passed up on the Air Jordan 1 UNC. So it wasn't going to happen with these. Super fire. I love them. The What the LA theme. Got your translucent baby blue bottoms over here, and then the purple joints here, man. Just super dope. I love them. The different quality, different hits they threw on there. Everything about this sneaker just screams what the, you know what I'm saying? This was themed after the What the LA. Got the Los Angeles signature right here on the side of the sneakers, and just a very, very loud colorway. And this is probably one of the pairs I should have threw on best sneakers for the summertime just because how vibrant they are. But it is a little pricey, so I did not want to throw them on the list. All right, guys, and next, man, it has to be the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. Now, you guys know a couple of years ago we got the red Thunders, and I wasn't that pleased with that colorway. I said, bro, I just got to have the regular Thunders, you know what I'm saying? The yellow Thunders, and then the year before that, we got the Lightness, if I'm not mistaken. And that's another pair I got to go back and grab. I sold those recently. Regret it. I really regret selling that pair. But a pair that I will not let go is the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. I remember these releasing back in the day growing up. And as soon as I threw these joints on feet, I said, yo, it's a long time coming. Super happy to have these joints in the collection. And I know this is definitely going to be on a lot of people's top 5, top 10 lists, just because we haven't got the Thunders in so long, man. So this had to make, you know what I'm saying, my top 5 so far for this half-year mark in 2023. And I want you guys to let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 4 Thunders, man. All right, guys, next, man, a pair that I doubled up on. That's how you know how crazy it was for me, how much I really, really wanted the sneaker. And I've been wearing the pair so much. I was like, bro, I got to get a double before the price does go up. And it is the Air Jordan 3 Reimagines, man. You guys see it, bro. You guys see the reimagined threes, man. One pair has some terrible quality, but the pair that I got DS right here, man, actually has some nice leather. Got the same matching, you know, elephant print on the toe box and in the heel of these guys. But the pair I've been beating up, bro, you guys can see, man. It's all dirty, scuffed up and stuff like that. I got a lot of wears in these joints so far. But I really think that this one right here is towing the line for my top pickup of the year. But I know we still got the flu games coming out. And then not even to mention the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. I just don't want to go full-fledged saying that this is the best for me as far as pickups. But super clean. I love them. Had to double up. And I was even thinking about grabbing a third pair because I know that resale definitely gonna start ticking up next year time frame. So you guys let me know what you think about it. I know it's gonna be like number 1, number 2 on a lot of people's list at the end of the year, but I want to see you guys' thoughts and opinions down below in the comment section. All right, man, and coming in last but not least, we have the Air Jordan 4 SBs, the first time SB Nike Air Jordan 4 collab, and they came out with a banger, bro. That pine green colorway that we do not see a lot on our Jordan sneakers. They threw it on these bad boys right here. Definitely not my like top, you know, pickup of the year so far, but definitely up there just because we haven't seen SB Air Jordan 4s before. And I feel like they threw a dope colorway on this Air Jordan 4 right here. And I sold a lot of my Jordan 4s, which I regret, but a pair I did not let go, I was not willing to let go, is these SB things right here, bro. But I know these right here definitely pushing a lot of weight. I know a lot of people that still want to cop this pair. Every time I do pull them out, throw them on feet, people always telling me these things is dope. Another crazy hit I thought they threw on these joints is the gum bottoms, bro. Like, when the last time we seen gum bottoms on a pair of Air Jordan 4s? I used to have a pair of Air Jordan 4s with the gum bottoms. I forget the names, like a midnight navy with like some tannish colors in there. If you guys know what I'm talking about, please drop it down below in the comment section. Yeah, man, coming in last but not least, we got the Air Jordan 4 SB pine greens. You guys let me know what you think about it down below in the comment section, man. A pair that I definitely think will crack my top 10 towards the end of the year, but it did not crack my top 5. It is the Air Jordan 1 washed heritages, or the black heritage, or the washed blacks. There's just so many names floating around, but I really like this color right here. I seen a homie Jay, he throwing some pink laces. I said, oh my god, them things is tough, bro. But I know this isn't one of them ones that's gonna get slept on, so I cannot wait to drop my top 10 most slept on releases of 2023. We'll be close into the year because we still got Laney 14s, Air Jordan 13 playoffs. There's so many heaters that we done got from Jordan Brand and Nike in general. So you guys stay tuned for that video coming very soon near you. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into another video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for all future content by hitting the notification bell right now and subbing up if you are new to the channel. Leave a huge like on today's video. We want to get this show up to 500 likes because I want to see what you guys' top 5 pickups are down below in the comment section. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you guys for tapping in. And with all that being said, I'm going to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.